In this video, we're going to show you everything you need to know about negative gearing.
We'll go through what it is and why it's important.
And more importantly, how it can help you with growing your property portfolio this year. Let's jump right in.
So Jaden, what is negative gearing?
Negative gearing is an investment strategy. You might have heard about it a lot lately because it's going to become an election issue. It involves owning a property which has high costs, usually your interest, depreciation, your holding cost, that in total are more than the rental income it earns. So what that means is a negatively geared property is actually costing you money every year to hold. So really the strategy relies on increasing property values because the property is costing you money every year to hold. It might cost you $5,000, it might cost you $1,000, could cost you more. But negative gearing works in a market where property values are going up, and while it might have cost you a little bit to hold the property every year, you make it up because you've got, like in Sydney, an 80 or 100% capital growth or property value growth over a short period of time, or sometimes in a long period of time.
Now, we've all heard of negative gearing. There's another thing called positive gearing. So Jaden, is it just the flip side of negative gearing?
Nailed it. So positive gearing is exactly the opposite. It's where you make more income from the property than it's costing you. So in the case of a positively geared property, you're not relying on the property market to appreciate. You can just hold it. From the income and from minus the cost, you're actually making money per year and it's looking after itself. There's obviously benefits and negatives to both, but in this video, let's stay focused on negative gearing.
So we can try and explain a scenario to you on this video.
And we've done about 5 takes and it was terrible. There's so many numbers and tax law and sliding scales. Negative gearing is hugely complex and it's not as simple as just doing a video, scribbling on a whiteboard and saying you're gonna make bank negatively geared. So if you want to go through an actual scenario, check out our website. We've got the link in the bio in the description below. You can see how negatively geared properties work, how it's affected by your tax rate, how a negatively geared property can actually turn out to be cash flow positive after depreciation and a few other things. It's all a lot more complicated than that. Hopefully this video explained what negative gearing is though, and how it can benefit and how it can actually not work. If you've got any questions, leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. If you like the video, thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.